You're about to experience Active Brake Assist 3, or ABA3. You'll shortly be joining Alistair Colquhoun from Mercedes-Benz truck training in the cab of an Actros 2545 tractor unit. The truck is fully loaded and has its cruise control preset to 50 miles per hour. The truck's forward-facing radar will detect a static vehicle and display visual and audible warnings as the driver approaches the vehicle, which Alistair will ignore. The truck will perform an automated emergency braking maneuver. Hold on tight.